The year 2020 has been a rough year for sports locally and internationally, but there was still enough action for the Maverick to compile a short list of the best sporting moments and the worst sporting moments for 2020. Because of the COVID restrictions, we're going to limit the short list to a top 3 in each category, starting with the best moments. At number 3 was the Reggae Boys and their new additions fighting back to win the second of the 2 international games against Saudi Arabia in Saudi Arabia. That performance gives us great hope going into the World Cup qualifiers next year. At number 2 was LeBron James leading the Los Angeles Lakers to the NBA title, his 4th and the Lakers' record equaling 17th. This takes LeBron closer to Michael Jordan's 6 titles and on course to settle the greatest of all time debate. Yes. And now for the Mavericks' number 1 sporting moment in 2020. It is obvious, without a single doubt, it is Liverpool finally lifting the EPL title. Yes. After a 30-year drought, filling the hearts of Liverpool fans with unbridled joy and pride. Yes. So there you have it, the Mavericks' top sporting moments for 2020. Tomorrow, we present the worst sporting moments of 2020. Don't miss it. Stay tuned.